Good morning, year threes. I hope you all are safe and healthy and happy at home. Your reading comprehension for today, I'll read for you and then we'll go through the questions so that you can answer it at home. Boeing 747. A Boeing 747 jumbo jet was once on its way from Indonesia to New Zealand with 247 passengers on board. The aircraft met with a thick, deadly cloud of dust and ash thrown into the sky by a volcano. They were flying out over the sea at a height of 10,000 meters when the aircraft's four engines cut out one by one. A terrible silence fell over the aircraft. The quick-thinking pilot put his huge jet into a glide and turned back for the airport. For a full 13 minutes, they glided through the air. Even without engines, this great aircraft seemed to take to the skies like a bird. Suddenly, the four engines started again. Thanks to this magnificent machine and its pilot, they were able to safely land half an hour later. And here are some facts about the jumbo jet. The jumbo jet, or Boeing 747, so you can call them both those names, is 70 meters long, 6 meters wide and 19.5 meters high. It sets up to 500 passengers in one flight. In 1 year, a jumbo jet will take 150,000 people between France and America. It can carry 214,000 liters of fuel, which would be enough to keep a car running for 100 years. In crossing from New York to London, a jumbo jet will use 90,000 liters of fuel. It is made up of over 4 million parts and has over 160,000 kilometers of wires and cables. 4 massive jet engines are needed to get this 300-ton machine into the air, and 18 wheels are needed to support its weight on the ground. A jumbo jet flying to New York will carry over 3,000 kilograms of food and drinks to serve to passengers. Flying at a height of 10,600 meters, that Boeing 747 cruises along at a speed of 912 kilometers per hour. Now the questions start with a capital letter, of course, end with a full stop, and no single word answers. Please, I want it in a full sentence. You do this in your lockdown workbook. That's the brown booklet without the cover page. Answer it in there and start by writing the date and then writing Boeing 747. And then you start with your questions. Question 1. How heavy is the jumbo jet? How many tons? Number 2, how much fuel does it carry? Number 3, how many passengers does it carry? Now don't get confused. At the beginning of the story, they tell you about that incident when the jumbo jet met the volcano and how many people were on board then. But we're not asking that. We are asking how many can this aircraft carry in total? Number 4, what height and speed does it reach? What height, not what height is the aircraft, what height can it fly and how fast can it fly? What did the jumbo jet once meet on its way to New Zealand? Why do you think its engines cut out? Why did the engines fail? Why did it stop working? And number 7, what did the pilot do? How did he save all those passengers? Remember to rule off when you are done, and good luck, year threes.